Hello, you're looking at my 2010 Toyota Camry, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the screws on your number plates or tags to help prevent those number plates or tags being stolen. Now I've just put a little bit of paper over my number plate because I don't want to display that on the internet. But those little screws at the moment, they're just held in there with a Phillips head screw. So I'm going to replace those with a security bolt. There's a close-up of the packet. Security bolt, they've got a special head on those bolts, and that head is called a Torx, T-O-R-X. And there's a little adapter or a little tool that comes with it that helps you to install those new screws. So all you need to do is just get your regular Phillips head screwdriver and remove the old screws and replace them for the security screws. So the left hand side has already been replaced now, and I'm just going to put the new screw on the right hand side. Just putting that little adapter there into the new Torx head screw and turning it round, and just get my shifter or my wrench, put in the little adapter at the end, and the new Torx screw is nice and tight. So there we go, both of those screws now have been upgraded to the new security screws. Obviously you could use the one-way screws to make them more secure, but this way I think you can get those undone if you need to, and hopefully if anybody wants to steal your number plates or your tags, they'll just find a car that's a little bit easier to steal from rather than this car with the special security bolts. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.